Good morning, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. Today, we have finished filming our promo video. I cannot wait for you to see it. Ice baths, sea dips, breath work, the gym, the fan dance, clinic, the list goes on. It is gonna be epic. It is literally how to earn your reward, because we bang on about that all the time. Put the effort in and see the reward. With low testosterone, that's not possible. With normal testosterone, it's still up to you whether you see the glass as half empty or glass half full. It is, as we've said numerous times before, perspective. And what do we do here at the Men's Health Clinic? We just sell you TRT. No, we act in your best interests. We safely and effectively titrate your dose according to effect using, yes, microdosing testosterone replacement therapy, TSIP and HCG, daily injections to mimic physiology. As we've said before, the premise behind any therapy should be to correct or mimic natural physiology so that you can feel normal. Again, whatever that means. So it's up to you. So we are loving adversity here at the Men's Health Clinic. Lydia and I have just come back from climbing Kilimanjaro. I underestimated it. I've always been slightly underwhelmed by somebody saying, I've climbed Kili. You see the pictures at the top, everybody's smiling. What you don't realize is they are mustering up their last remaining bit of energy to smile. Because when you reach the top, it is an occasion. I won't talk about it because there's no point. Because you can't understand and appreciate the wonder of the experience without doing it. And life is all about experiences, and they're your experiences to take, to enjoy, to appreciate. So yeah, do it. It's amazing. So yeah, we are loving adversity because we know that you need to face adversity to appreciate reward. Earn your reward. I start my day with an ice bath because it sets me up for the day. I actually start my day saying a cheesy, today's going to be a good day. But then I face adversity. I walk with a deliberateness, a confidence that this 2-degree ice bath is not going to beat me. Of course it's not going to beat me. But I could find a million excuses not to do it. But I still walk towards it. Rain, wind, ice. I don't care. I'm doing it. Because it's actually going to give me a sense of calm facing adversity. How strange is that? Well, what you're doing when you set into the ice bath is you are concentrating on your breath. You are initiating your parasympathetic nervous system, the calming part of your autonomic nervous system, to deal with the stress response. You go down, breath out. And then you calm your mind, you clear your mind, and you concentrate on breath. And then you can fully appreciate the moment. You can have an appreciation of the past, an anticipation of the future, but you are living in the moment. And that's what life's all about. You step out and you have won. You have really won. So whatever happens that day, I don't care. It's not going to have the same effect as if I'd woken up going, I'm still tired. Oh my God, I stubbed my foot. Oh my God, could this day get any worse? It's all perspective. So with low testosterone, your perspective is distorted. Now, I will say this, you are your hormones. I would say that, wouldn't I? But there's a chronicity to hormones. There is a acuteness, obviously, to the autonomic nervous system, and there's a reactiveness from this. Your past experiences, etc., etc., but also your hormones are involved in normal brain function. One of the commonest symptoms of low testosterone is brain fog. You need healthy hormone levels to have a considered response to the situation faced in front of you. If your hormones are dysregulated, whether that be low or high or fluctuating, you are not having a true response to the situation. Just take the female menstrual cycle, a perfect example. The sole reason their hormones fluctuate is because of procreation. Estradiol and testosterone rise in the follicular phase. They're all happy, hopefully high libido. You've hopefully procreated, and the second part of the cycle, the luteal part, after the egg has been released and hopefully sperm has penetrated, it's preparing the uterus for implantation, and women tend to feel calmer and sleep better. And then obviously the end of the menstrual cycle. Repeat. So the impact of hormones on physical and mental health cannot be underestimated. It is incredibly important. Lots of patients present to the men's health clinic with element of mental discord. Some, alarmingly, are suicidal. Now, it's not my job to deal with that. However, my job is to safely and effectively titrate your dose of testosterone and HCG according to effect to get you healthy hormone levels. The rest is down to you. You have to put the work in. You are the master of your ship. You are the hero of your own story. And hormones, healthy hormones, allow you to place a level of objectivity to your subjective experience. This is incredibly important, and it goes back to the chronicity and the acuteness of the brain and the acute and the reactiveness of your autonomic nervous system. So that's fundamentally your responsibility, to look to address stress, to look to address sleep, nutrition and exercise, and understand that you must do that on a daily basis, day, night, day, night, day, night. So as wonderful as it is climbing Kilimanjaro and the big massive achievement that we got from it, you have to have daily practices in place to earn your reward. Because if you've done these massive events before, you will have felt this sense of massive achievement. And then you've often felt a dip afterwards because you've placed too much emphasis on the event. So we must have daily practices in place to earn our reward. Because life is about experiences. It's about seizing the moment. Once that moment is over, it's replaced by what? Another moment. So it really is up to you whether you see the glass as half full or glass half empty. I urge you to look to your hormonal health, to reduce stress, improve sleep, have a healthy diet and engage in regular physical exercise. Because as you know now, we lead by example and we understand the importance of hormonal health and earning your reward.